Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Saturday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below, where you get one of these at a low cost and see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item we have here. If you guys want to purchase this item, all you got to do is click it to your cart, check out really fast, and they'll ship it in no time. So here we go. We have here, feels weird. Okay, these are the draft stoppers for your doors, in case you got a cold room. I know I do. So we're gonna do a quick install also, show you guys how this works. Pretty cool, especially in the winter time. It is cold in Michigan, so, and plus I got a new dog, and I'm gonna make sure that he uses the bathroom in there for these cold nights. And especially for a guest room, you can always have it down in the basement, you know. Dang, got little fuzzies. That's how long it looks. It's weird, it had some kind of crunchiness to it. There we go, there's that. It's coming from Simple Genius, 36-inch draft blocker. See, got the snowflakes out there. There we go. Clean it up a little bit. I'm gonna go into the laundry room, put it down. Just give me a second, wipe this stuff off of it. Sometimes my dog likes to get into top of things, you know, and does his business, so, but this should be safe to chew. Okay. Oh boy. Alright, so I was gonna cut this off. There we go. Don't need this tag. There we go. Alright, YouTubers, I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTube. Here it is. I'm not sure if I have it in the right way, but you can always flip it and go like that. There you go. You can have it hanging. Like that. Really cool. So definitely check these guys out. And they got the links down below. Get it fast shipped to you. Stay warmer. Alright, be safe, YouTube. Have a good weekend, and see you guys soon.